artifact I'm going to talk about today is called Kahoot. Kahoot is basically a way for teachers to assess students through the use of small quizzes, which are in the form of learning games. So teachers can create their own custom games, and students can play those games on any device. So whether that's a phone or a tablet, but it allows for the students to play on their own device while the game is played on a large screen. So it can be done in a classroom. So it creates a fun atmosphere for that assessment and for those quizzes. So you can create your own Kahoot. So if I have this Kahoot here about painting art history, I can click play. And then how this is set up is you can check your options, and once those options are what you want, you can click launch, and then what it produces is a 6-digit code or a PIN that students can put into their device. So whether that's a tablet or a smartphone, so that way they can play the game together. So they enter in this PIN here. So when they go to Kahoot.it, and then they can enter that PIN and then play the game as a group. The nice thing about Kahoot is it is very easy to create new quizzes and custom quizzes. So you can also go to public Kahoot. So if you want to play a quiz or use a quiz that someone else has designed, but you can easily devise that quiz in the form of, or that game in the form of a quiz. There's surveys. So what I'll do now is I'll give a quick name. So let's go with art history. And then let's click go. The nice thing is you can create this in any form you'd like. So this could be multiple choice, or you can just do true and false. And also the nice thing is you can add images and video too as well. So I'll just create a quick question here for this quiz. So let's say, is this image from the Impressionist period? And then answer 1, I'll click true. Let's have that as correct. This one will be false, that's incorrect. I'll get rid of answer 3 and 4. I'll put in that image so I can pull one up from my computer. Let's get here. Artist images. Let's pull up an Impressionist image from Claude Monet. Let's see this water lily image. Actually, let's rephrase this too. It's not a question. It's a statement. So this image is from the Impressionist period. True or false? They'd select that. And so then what you can also do is this tab here below to add another question. So the nice thing about it is the very simple layout. So you can easily create questions in any format you'd like for the most part for those quizzes, and then once you're done you just click save and continue, and then you have your Kahoot. So again, once that is saved in your Kahoots, you can simply select play game. It sends the pen out, or it creates that pen, and students can select that pen to play the games. So it's a nice way to give a fun style of assessment. So through that quiz, which again is in the form of a Kahoot game, which creates a lot of fun and also a competitive nature to the assessment too as well. And that is Kahoot.